Gates open, they're up and racing. Street Star draws for your lead. Moving a party outside. The Minstrel, Vengativo in between runners. Holy Minstrel racing in fourth. Down in fifth is Brave Lorky and Supervise. As they race at the last 900, we have Street Star running by the rail by half length. Moving a party outside. The Minstrel. Holy Minstrel now catching the third spot. Vengativo drops back in fourth. Racing in fifth. Brave Lorky and Supervise as they rounded the last 600. The Minstrel fighting back a Street Star. Holy Minstrel is racing in third. Vengativo moving up. Supervise as they swing to the final corner. We have Dream Minstrel running at the center. Street Star by the rail. Holy Minstrel is on the outside. Supervise racing wide, then moving up. Vengativo and down the stretch and leading the finish line is Street Star. This time by about a length and a half. Running on the outside. Dream Minstrel, Holy Minstrel with 75 meters up the race is Street Star by about 3 lengths. And finally Street Star, Dream Minstrel, Holy Minstrel, Vengativo, Supervise and Brave Lorky.
Okay, 153.